Keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
Be my radar.
Okay. I will help you to find it.
Yeah. Laps up. And then they panic when coronavirus comes.
Yeah.
They panic when there's trouble. But their actions every day are causing troubles. Of course, forest upkeeping and forest keeping is a lifelong work. And who knows how future generations, the younger generations, are going to appreciate this forest. But it's very important that these lands be protected.
呢排咧，大家都成日去行山郊遊，但係今日咧我就冇咁悶，決定帶大家入去南丫島揾一個傳奇嘅山野神人博士。佢唔止自己起咗間屋，仲種咗個森林出嚟添喎。為咗見呢個傳奇人物，我哋搭船去到南丫島嘅榕樹灣。呢個帶點不羈同埋瀟灑嘅阿叔就係博士啦。
Welcome, Chucky.
Hello, 博士。
You can take off your masks now.
Because in
nature.
Nama'ana?
Yes, because you're
Okay.
in nature.
Thank you. Wow.
Breathe some fresh air. And then we will go to my house.
Ooh. And your
We'll have a
forest?
cup of tea.
Yep.
And then we'll go up to the llama forest.
Wow, good. So let's go.
Yes, let's
Okay.
go. Welcome.
哇，佢係唔着鞋嘅喎，好回歸大自然啊！
There's one ready here.
哦 ，really？ 我從來冇諗過可以就咁食嗰啲嘢過。
No?
哇！
Welcome to Gaia House.
哇 ，thank you！ 我哋嚟到 Bob 嘅客啦。
Welcome.
Thank you！ 哇！話 Bob 係神人，真係一啲都冇誇張，好似呢一間屋咁，就係佢接手朋友嘅農場之後改建而成。呢啲欄杆、屋頂、柴房全部都係自家製，連呢個瑜伽場地都係佢一手一腳自己修建。而佢嚟香港之前，可謂歷盡艱辛，喺黎巴嫩出世，自細喺內戰之中成長。後來去到曼谷搞時裝生意嘅時候，仲破過產。92年佢移居嚟到香港，重新出發。佢話要令到香港同呢一個世界變得更美好。
I visited a few times because back then I was in the fashion world. So I was selling my fashion designs from Bangkok to Hong Kong. My very first visit to Hong Kong, I was very impressed with what I saw. So Hong Kong is yes, a developed city with urban life, very busy urban life, but it also has a beautiful environment, beautiful country parks. In fact, over 40% of Hong Kong's territory is protected country parks, which makes it quite unique in the world, which makes it very, very unique. Before this was complete jungle, you couldn't see any of this. And the bamboo here started from one bamboo shoot about 15, 16 years ago. And now it's become this thriving, beautiful bamboo, small forest. And from the bamboo, I can build the fencing. And I planted a lot of trees. So this is a longan tree, papaya trees, banana trees, mulberry trees, lemongrass. We will be drinking tea from this bush now.
Thank you. 哇！要咁樣一路攀石行上去，其實都 Thank you, thank you。要有膽力同埋體力先可以行上嚟。
It's a lovely place to
can-
sit down and read a book.
Really?
And to take an afternoon snooze and you watch the skies and the birds, especially the big kites, and try it.
Wow! Wow!
And then turn around, put your feet that way.
Okay. 哇！真係好舒服啊！救命啊！ 飲埋 Bobs 自家種嘅香茅茶，我哋就跟住 Bobs 行去附近嘅山頭。為咗喺呢一片咁貧瘠嘅土地上邊種出一個森林，佢足足用咗20年。
Lots of people have helped. Yeah, we've had many schools and many organizations and Lama people. And before 1997, I came up here, walked up into the hills to do some meditation, and realized that the lands behind were completely barren. There were no trees. And we decided to do the tree planting on Earth Day, April 22nd, 1997. So we did the very first tree planting, and we planted 2,000 trees over the weekend. It was very hard work. And it was just after we finished planting that I thought, oh, we should come back here next year. And maybe if we come back year after year, there will be a forest one day. And look here, you see, do you mind holding this?
Yep.
You see somebody's damaged this tree. I will try and rescue it. Hold this,
Okay.
please. I will try and cut at 45 degrees, as clean as I can, and try and get a clean cut. Otherwise, the tree could get infected. The forest is there for the future, for future generations, even for people now. If you look at tourist brochures or the maps of Lama Island, you will not see the Lama forest on it. So it means it keeps the forest clean and protected.
唔好以為 Bobs 匿喺深山裏邊就與世無爭，嚟到佢喺灣仔開設嘅素食快餐店 Manna， 先至知道佢喺97年創辦咗香港第一間有機素食 cafe。更加係早期喺香港推廣 Raw food 嘅先行者，即係主張喺唔用任何加熱加工嘅方法去製作素食，而保留返食材嘅營養。2012年嘅佢仲更加喺中環開設咗素食快餐店 Manna， 提供沙律、漢堡、fat bread 等等嘅嘢食，更加係香港少見嘅零費餐廳。而家已經有3間分店。Bobs, would you mind to show us your restaurant?
Yeah, please, welcome. This is possibly the most developed recycling concept in Hong Kong. So here in Manna, all our packaging, all of it. So the straws, the coffee cups, the juice cups, the salad boxes are all made from plants. So they are compostable.
Thank you.
That's for you.
Thank you so much. Tastes good.
Hosek?
好好食。Is it have egg?
No egg.
No egg.
Avocado, hummus, cucumber, and baby spinach. And the bread is made from millet flour. So there's no gluten in the bread.
學 Bobs 話齋，選擇過環保嘅生活，食一餐新機素食，為嘅唔止係我哋嘅下一代，更加係為咗我哋自己，令到身體更加健康。
When the next virus comes, because it's just a question of time before the next virus comes. So we do need to raise our environmental awareness, our environmental education. Last year in 2019 and into 2020, Hong Kong is facing quite a bumpy road. And when there's a challenge, we don't flee our home, we stay in the home and we're trying to make our home a better place.
停課不停學，號召有心人出手，撐學生睇足1年蘋果。